race you to the school! You're on! Last one there's a rotten egg! Let's go, we're almost there! Yeah, I can't wait! Me too! Race you inside!
Hello, everyone.
Hello, teacher!
Are you ready to learn today?
Yes! Me in!
Hello, class. Are you ready to sing?
Yes! We're ready!
Wonderful. Let's all sing together now. A is for antelope.
Wow!
Graceful antelope. Let's all say hi.
Hi, Antelope!
All right, class. Today is B.
Wow!
A bison is very strong and powerful.
So cool!
All right, class. C is for crocodile. Hello, everyone.
Wow!
Isn't this exciting?
D for dragon lizard.
Wow!
Yes, children. Look how big and friendly it is.
So cool!
All right, class. E is for elephant. All right, class. F for fox. Let's meet him.
Hi, everyone. That's right. F for fox.
Class, today is G for gorilla. Look at his strength. Gorillas use it to protect their families.
Wow, so cool.
H for hippopotamus. See? H for the giant hippopotamus.
I for iguana. Let's all say it. Look, an iguana. Come on in.
Okay, class. J is for jaguar. Come on in, Jaguar. Everyone say hi. K for kangaroo. Wow, it's for kangaroo.
Today is L for lion. See?
L for lion.
M for moose. Look, everyone, a moose.
N for Nyala. Wow, Nyala. It's so nice.
O for orangutan. Our friend is here.
Yeah.
Hello, princess.
Class, today is P for panther.
And here he is.
Wow, that's so cool.
Good morning, class. Today is Q Day. And look who's our friend, the quokka. Q is for quokka.
R for rhinoceros. Wow, a rhinoceros.
Hello, everyone!
Class, today we have a special guest.
Wow.
Yes, sloths are very calm and gentle. S for sloth.
Class, today is T for tiger. Here it comes. Wow, so cool. Everyone.
Okay, class, are you ready for a surprise?
Yes.
Introducing you for Uriel.
Hello, children.
Class, today is V for vervet monkey. Everyone say hi to our new friend. Right, class? W is for wild boar.
Yes. Everyone say hello.
Hello, wild boar.
Oink.
Okay, class, today is X for cirrus. Yes, come on in, little one.
Yay, a cirrus.
Okay, class, Y is for yak.
Yeah.
Let's give it a big welcome. All right, class, who knows the letter Z?
Z.
Z for zebra, look.
Yeah, beautiful.
Okay, class, I am coming up next class.
Yay.
Great, get ready for some fun.
Okay.